So as most of you know, LeBron James picked Kyrie Irving to be on his team in the 2018 NBA All-Star game, and he explained why.
For us to have another weekend to bring back some of the memories that we had when we were all together. Kyrie was available on the draft board. He's one of the best point guards that we have in our league. It was an easy choice for me.
So if you watch the full interview, LeBron James said he wants to bring back some memories that he had with Kyrie Irving and Kevin Love, because of course they all played together on the Cavs before Kyrie Irving requested the trade. Now LeBron James said, well, it wasn't a difficult choice because Kyrie Irving, he's one of the best point guards in the NBA. LeBron said he was an easy choice. Now, of course, Kyrie Irving is a great player. He's a future Hall of Famer, so why wouldn't you pick him? Now, of course, a lot of people thought LeBron James wouldn't pick Kyrie Irving because he requested a trade. He don't want to play with LeBron. Me included, I thought the same thing. Now, of course, I thought, why would LeBron James pick Kyrie Irving when he clearly don't want to play with you? So, of course, LeBron James picked Kevin Durant first. He wouldn't let Steph Curry pick him up because we know Steph Curry was going to pick him. Now, I don't know if LeBron James picked Kyrie Irving second, but he did pick him. Now, my question is, if Kevin Durant was the captain, would he have picked Russell Westbrook? And of course, if Russell Westbrook was the captain as well, would he have picked Kevin Durant if they had the first pick? I don't know. You got some more in the comment section. But right now, it seems LeBron James and Kyrie Irving, they're cool. They have no bad blood. But for now, I'm out.